state-owned university in this country. Logoja came behind us. Is that not?
The institution is for NUC staff.
No, the institution, we are part of the institution. Then if we talk about the staff, then we have the emeritus in this environment that started from the back in 1948. Yes. So the rest are our seniors. And so if you're looking at our books, or the back, specifically with the old man's eye, so that you will not say publicly where the youths are. So where the youths must have gone, you now say, no, please go and stay no more. They say that. So you just look at our books, report exactly what you have seen for us, but with the old man's eye. So, but I want to plead with us that for the sake of our records, we have with the teams, go photograph for our record purpose. I believe the team leaders have entered your name, your purpose, and visit, register. So that's what I have to say. But you're staying in this place, rest assured, we will enjoy it. Thank you very much.
Dean, HOD, and our visitors from NUC, I'd like to, on behalf of the VC, once again welcome you to this second segment of our pending issue. Yesterday, we were here and the mandate was given, though not from this place, but from NUC, for you to come and look at our goods as with regards geology program, and then you've gone and come back to give your final report on what you were able to see. We are believing that you've gone, you've seen, you have also made your various recommendations, and that is why we're here once again. So I'd like to hand over proceedings at this point in time to the leader of the team to x-ray exactly what we've been able to see to the management committee. So thank you very much.
I want to say, after I end my ministry, we give glory to God that the work from which we came has been concluded. But before we get to this the report, I want to say to thank management and staff of this university for the cordial relationship that we have enjoyed, for the warm reception that we have received so far, and for the atmosphere that was conducive atmosphere that was provided for us to execute our work. Yesterday, the Vice Chancellor told us that we should look, and then I also had a comment that we should come to report those good things and those bad things that we have noted, and that we should also use the appropriate eyes to look. And I think that is what we have finished doing. I would like to first of all commend the efforts of the university for the stage that they have reached, especially with regard to the Department of Geology at this time. You may not know, I was on the team that came here 2 years ago. So it is not difficult. It was,
then I wasn't busy, so...
Yeah, it's not difficult, therefore, for me to see the difference. If in between what we had there and then what we have now. But let me say that the library has improved tremendously. You have a complement of staff, at least for the Department of Geology, that were accredited, and then at the Dean, who have supporting staff at both levels. I think this is highly commendable. For the report itself, I think I would simply go to the highlights instead of taking us through step by step from what we've done. We look at the curriculum. The curriculum is adequate in content. However, there needs to be some structural adjustments so that it can be presented in line with the We noticed that the department does not have the student handbook. Departmental handbook, sorry. Does not have the departmental handbook. Departmental handbook is not available.
But they have faculty.
Because they use the faculty, since the faculty incorporates law.
Okay. And in the faculty student handbook, we noticed that there is no academic regulation.
No
needs
academic
regulation.
So we would like to state that it is necessary that there should be the student handbook at the departmental level and also at the faculty level, both of which should contain academic regulations.
Yes. You are very correct.
We notice that the standard of questions is good, but also realize that the marks distribution per question and subsections of the questions were not given on the question paper. And so, students may not know exactly how well they perform in the question, especially those that have sections after the examination. I think it is important that this mark distribution should how the question.
No, it brought an argument in Senate because education people who have been preparing this thing, that it is in the marking scheme you present step by step, like a model answer, step by step.
The distribution of
marks. Yeah. Not the body of the question.
Just the total mark for a question is enough in a question.
So that is why that was taught. Before now, even my own department, economics, we were doing that. So that argument came up, and that was how it was taught. So it's not a deliberate part, that they were just following instructions, because We have the living ancestors as professors in our midst that came from 1948 institutions like Ibadan. Like our brother you see here is emeritus professor Ibadan. When that argument came up, we just had to bow to that superior argument. That was if not, if you go back to some old question papers, after the question in bracket, they put the marks. Question 2, they put in bracket the marks. Yeah. That was what was done.
Yesterday, I did make a comment that today I am here. That was yesterday, in your own university. Tomorrow you'll be in your own, in his own, and things like that. Which means that we have been going round and round. So, that has been the decision of yesterday. I have been to a number of places already on this exercise. I've come across also the Senate like that, but they have not argued. What I've said is what we practice.
This is. Let me just ask a question. Are you saying that each question should have different marks on each aspect, or just total answer? Because you may have a question paper that question 1 may carry more than others.
Yes.
Then you put there that this is maybe 30 marks, others 22, 22, 22. But the details of points should be in the marking scheme. Because I don't know, in engineering, even where, even in the arts, as you are giving the marking scheme, you make a point, you put what that very point carries in the marking scheme. But if you are talking of total marks for each question, yes, in the question paper.
We may.
Yes.
If the question paper normally is 70,
yes,
and the test and the continuous assessment is 30,
yes,
and you have 5 questions,
yes,
the implication is that all the 5 questions, if they have to answer 5 questions,
and they have equal marks, exactly.
And they will even indicate
that all the questions
carry
equal marks. Once it is said like that, you don't need to start putting the marks.
But if there's a compulsory question,
exactly.
That compulsory
like
question
I always
may
teach.
have one more question.
My question 1 is always compulsory, and I give it a special mark.
I say 30 marks.
Yes.
And the
Others
other 15
questions or under 20.
You say 20, 20.
Without responsibility. We have come to encounter qualified and efficient academic staff and non-academic staff in that department. However, we noticed that the mix is not very favorable and is tilted towards bottom level. So we are of the opinion that this staff at the lower level be encouraged to take their terminal degrees, and staff who are already qualified be promoted when that also brings up those of them who apparently are in that lower group now to come up to the appropriate class. We also noticed that the head of the department is a qualified, effective, and efficient staff that enjoys the support of the other staff of the department. It was very, very obvious to us yesterday as we were working, the way they were moving, that the mission was possible. We plead with the management to continue to support and encourage the head of the department. And we noticed that you have a central laboratory. It is good. We are recommending the management that management should start considering relocating this central laboratory, probably with more equipment, to a more spacious location. I've already commented on the classrooms and the lecture theaters. Yes, spaces available are adequate, but there's a need to improve or to put more furniture, to increase the furnishing, or replace furnishing, or repair furnishing, and then equip the places, lighting, for example, fans, and so on and so forth, with appropriate number of exits should there be any emergency, and also for emergency fire, emergency equipment, some buckets and fire extinguishers provided in appropriate quantity where these people are always crowded. I have already made comment on the library. The e-library is very, very rich at the various levels because the first of all started from the main library, that is the university library. Then we were taken to the faculty library, and we also have proposed our own another library, and there is synergy and more in the operation of this library in terms of materials. On funding can never be enough.
That's why ASU is fighting.
Funding can never be adequate. We recommend that we suggest that the university, as well as the department, should also look outside for additional financial support from other sources. Essentially, this is the summary.